On the previous video, we introduced the social engineering toolkit, the set, and we just saw the menu and how to start the application. And on this video, we're going to start the first attack. It's called the Credential Harvest, and it's mainly based on phishing. And you remember we explained phishing, which is creating a fake website. For many reasons. One of the reasons, or the main reason, is to capture credential. So let's see how to create a fake website and how to do that to capture credential from the victim. So we're going to open the terminal and go to the specific path, which is inside pentest, exploit, and cd. cd pentest, and then cd exploit, and then cd set, and we run the tool set, and we're gonna start attack number 2, which is the website attack vector. In this tool, we're going to take two specific attacks: the phishing attack and a Java applet attack, which is using a fake website to fully compromise the victim machine. It's very, very nice, and we're going to get some good benefit from that. So on this option, on this attack, we have different kind of sub attack, but as we mentioned, we're going to just start with a small one, an easy one: Credential Harvest attack. And what Credential Harvest will do, it will create a fake web page that will allow the hacker to capture the credential or username or password from the victim. So we're going to choose number 3, which is the Credential Harvest, and we're going to click on OK. So he's going to ask, okay, you need to create a fake website. Would you like to use one of the templates? He got some template like Facebook, like Gmail, or like Twitter, or do you have a site which you need to clone? Clone means copy. So if we choose number 1, he's gonna provide us with some template from where we can choose, or number 2, you have to write down a specific website, and he will create a similar website. So we're gonna choose the easiest one now, which is number 1, and click on enter. And this is the template that he have so far: Gmail, Google, Facebook, Twitter. Let's take Gmail. So I'm going to tell him I need to create a fake Gmail page, and click on enter. And he just gives that, this should not be used for any kind of attack or something like that, and press return to continue and agree. But before we press on enter, I want you to check this URL, because this will be the URL that you need to send to the user that will include the fake page. So what this attack will do is that he will create a fake website, and it will host this website on this Linux machine. If you notice that this IP is the same IP on the Linux machine, where you can find here at the top of the screen. So he's creating a web server on the same machine, and he hosts one fake page on it. And then we click on enter, and now he's ready. And what we need to do is we need to send to the victim machine this URL and convince him to click on this URL. Now definitely you cannot send it this way, because it will be very obvious that it's not right. But I'm going to show you some shortcut, or I'm sorry, some workaround that they are doing to manipulate that. So let's go to any victim machine and use this website and see, or this URL, and see what we'll be getting. So I'll go to a Windows 7 machine, or any machine, it's a hacker machine, and let me log in. And while it open, let me open also the Windows 7 machine. So we have the Windows 7 machines that we can power on, and what I'm trying to do right now, I'm trying to do the attack on two different machines, has two different platforms. So let's open the browser, and we are assuming that this is the victim machine. So let's open the browser here, and let's type the mentioned URL, and let's see what will be have. So if you go here and we type http://192.168.95.129 and we click on enter. Let's see what will show up, and we will I'll do the same to the other machine. I think I miswrite something. Let me repeat. http://192. Let me take one of those and just fix that. 129. Click on enter, and let's see what we'll get. And during loading, I will go to the other machine as well, and I'll go to the user machine. And also I'm going to try to browse the same URL. So here, let me open the browser, and go to the same URL. (192.168.129), and we're gonna notice that he will open a Gmail page. So this is Gmail page, and on the Windows XP machine we should also have the Gmail page. Okay. What is the XP machine? And of any of the machine, you write down any username and password, like test@test.com, and the password will be test12345. We're gonna notice that when you write the credential in this website, it will be captured and showed inside your victim machine, the Linux machine. So here I can see that this is the username and this is the password. So we notice that we were able